Hello guys, welcome to another video. Obviously this is for the glossy box. Now I think for me this was late. I normally get an email around the 5th when they start disputing them out, but I actually got it, like my dispatched thing was actually late for me, well, and that's why this video is late. But I think, my personal view, they had a limited edition box to go out and they just didn't take obviously priority for the people like me that actually pay for it and too hooked up on the limited edition box. So first of all, I opened the box and I had a free contact lens trial for Everclear. That's a trial box thing, and then as usual, a Ocado, and then this is the box. Now with glossy box, I know the whole theme of glossy box is like pink, but I'd like to see another themed box for this, like the fruity or the fruity, or was it fruit or something else. It was a really nice box and I like it. So I'm just gonna take the top off this. There we go. And this is the top, and it says a sneak peek for July. Whether you're jetting off on your jollies or embracing the British sun, we've got all your holidays essential covered. So July is obviously to do with going on holiday or enjoying the sun here. Starting with this multi-purpose Moroccan oil treatment. Now I do have this Moroccan oil treatment in a full size, and I do actually recommend this product off my own back. Go and have a look at my review for that and you will see. And that is the front of the that's the front of the leaflet, and it just says glossy credits, and basically remember glossy can earn you glossy credits up to £10. So us just filling out surveys and that can earn you up to £10 to go and spend it. Look fantastic. So what I'm going to do is, it all came out like this. It's like I said, I think it was, to me it looked like it was rushed this time because of the limited edition. Yeah, that's my cat trying to play with this. So what I'm going to do is put this on the floor, and I'm going to go in blind. So the first product is, ooh, sorry guys, macadamia oil, hydrates, protects and repairs dry damaged hair. Oh, I like these kind of things. That was quite of moisturising deep conditioner. I mean, that's a review altogether on my channel. So yeah, that's a really nice surprise. And then there's a Model Co lip cream matte in a matte. Let's just open this. Okay, so it's more of a nudie colour, because to be honest, I was expecting it to be this colour, like with the other one, but no, Model K. And that is another review that might be up in my reviews. I have actually now put all my videos into playlists, so if that makes it any easier for you guys, just go over to my channel. Yeah, so that is a lip cream matte. Let's see, that's the one. And that is how it swatches. And then going in blind again. And this is a sleek makeup face for contouring and blush palette. And it's in the colour Fair. That's that on it. But yeah, I can't get that open, but that is what it looks like. And this is the Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Applied to clean, dry skin, wear under foundation, creates a smooth, even canvas. And it basically says, don't use it if you get redness or irritation occurs, avoid contact with the eyes. And obviously the main important is, do not eat it. And that will be another review. And then this is an eyeshadow. Ooh. That sound. No, it's normal now. So that is a gold colour. So really, really nice. And is it me? Mech and Mia, someone, and that's a gold pencil eyeshadow in the shade hashtag 0.4 0054. Don't know if you can see that well, but it is a gold. So like I said, it was, I think there is some good stuff in there. But now I can open this. And have a look. So there was a possible chance it could go that one, or that one, but I did get that one. So they are from Superdrug. I thought I'd seen them before. They are £2.49. £2.49. The sleek makeup was £13. You can actually get sleek makeup from Boots. The eyeshadow chubby stick, that is £13. And you could go to www.meeshimna.co.uk. Excuse my pronouncing of words. And then the lip cream, so model.com, and that is £15. And then this Pro Perfected Collagen Primer is actually a full size. It's from aventskincare.com, and usually it's £85. So to be fair with you guys, I pay £13 for this box. I mean, you've got your money back already, but sorry about that. From the look of that, for July is actually going to be absolutely awesome, and I cannot wait for that box to come. Like I said, it's not packaged like it usually is. Like I said, I think they brought out a limited edition so close to their normal box release date. It's just, they're in a rush, so they're just packaging everything up, and you know, it just doesn't look quite presentable as it usually did. But yeah guys, that is June's glossy box, and I will see you in another video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.